I'm Charlie Rattigan. I work for Green Mountain Digital, and I'm in Saguaro National Park outside of Tucson, Arizona. I'm in the East District, Saguaro East. You can see the outline here. People think of the desert as a place that's barren and brown and dry. We're at the end of the monsoon season. It's been fairly wet over here. I'm not totally sure about the amount of rainfall that happens in the area in the monsoons, but it's up above 5 or 6 inches, and it makes the desert really come alive. This is a saguaro cactus. There's 2 here, and there's a lot that you can see. This is really the symbol of the West. And interestingly enough, the saguaro is generally limited to this area of southeastern Arizona, Tucson up to the Phoenix area, and the major saguaro population in these 2 parts of the park. Let's talk a little bit about this. You can see these arms. Nobody knows why the arms grow or when they appear, but you can see 2 little ones starting here. I see 2. These saguaros are also known as the desert apartment houses because woodpeckers and flickers excavate holes. They raise their young, and then it's taken over by other bird species, an elf owl among others. We'll find these as a home. Another desert plant, the mesquite. You can see the seed pods there. This, in the past, has been an important source of food for native peoples. Right behind here, you can see the prickly pear. I'm not exactly sure which variety of prickly pear this is. The prickly pear is really an international plant. A variety of varieties or species find their way into many different climates. There's a Palo Verde plant. That green, shiny bark. Ocotillo here. In the springtime, and you can see the remnants at the top perhaps, beautiful, wonderful red blossoms. Magnet for birds, hummingbirds, another desert bird that will drink from the nectar of those, the verdin. I've actually seen western tanagers on them as well. It's really quite a remarkable plant.